Hazrat Abu Wail narrates that Hazrat Abdullah bin Masud radiyallahu anhu said, "One day a man came to me and asked me a question, whose answer I did not know. He said, 'Tell me, if a person after being well equipped with weapons willingly set out on a military expedition with his chiefs, but the chiefs have started to burden us to such an extent that we cannot endure. So what should we do then?' I said to him, 'By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I do not know what to reply you except that when we were in the company of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he would command us to do a thing only once, and we acted upon his command. And only that one of you will thrive who keeps on fearing Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. And soon you will sigh for such people as can satisfy you by him, except whom none is worthy of worship. You should know then, this world is just like a pond whose pure water has been drunk and nothing has remained but mud.'" Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 2964.